Wait. Hi guys, we are back. We are boarding the boat. About a few minutes. We are literally boarding the boat. I'm so excited. Eek. This boat looks ginormous. I know it looks like it's night, but it's not. Actually, just in a big place. This is so exciting, guys. If you can see me, I am literally walking up the ramp. Let me show you. See my family. That's my grandma, my tia, and that is my mom. I am so excited. This boat is literally so big. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you when we get on the ship.